Hello mga karakat, it's me again, Flarmy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga karakit ay meron naman akong job hiring na isi-share sa inyo, which is good news sa lahat ng mga job seeker natin dyan. Yan sa mga interesadong malaman kung ano-anong mga job hiring ko for today's video, just keep on watching until the videos end para wala kayong ma-miss. I'm sure makakaturing ito sa inyo kahit papano. Ayan, so hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa. Further ado, let's get started. Mga kakits, so welcome back. Ayan, so magsisimula na nga po tayo. Our first job hiring mga karakit ng iba kung hindi para ito sa ating solid karakit subscribers sa Lapu-Lapu. Ayan, so shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, so PEC Primary Skills is hiring. Ayan, so applicants should be 25 to 40 years old and possess a minimum of 5 years of experience in building and infrastructure and have a strong communication skills. Ayan, so job vacancies. Ayan, so planning engineer, QE or QC civil engineer, QE QC mechanical engineer, QE QC electrical engineer. Ayan, so architectural landscape engineer, agricultural engineer, irrigation engineer, design and primary skills, quantity surveyor, AutoCAD, HSE specialist, document controller, irrigation surveyor, agricultural supervisor, and plants specialist. Ayan, so, and they are looking also for female cleaners. Ayan, so, qualification po nila dito mga karakit. Ayan, so, applicants shall be between 24 to 34 years old and with 1 year work experience in the same field. Ayan, so, with good communication skills and pleasing personality. Ayan, so, for those who are interested to apply mga karakit, sa mga Cebu applicants po, just send your CV to rectim/cebu@primaryskills.com.ph. Ayan, so sa mga Manila applicants naman po, you can send your CV to rectim/makati@primaryskills.com.ph. Ayan, so for more details mga karakit, kindly check below job ads. Ayan, so ayan mga karakit, so no, good news po. Ayan, so good news pa rin po sa ating mga karakit natin dyan sa Lapu-Lapu. Dahil Matintas Logistics and Distribution Inc. is conducting a special recruitment activity on July 16 at Iso Lapu-Lapu City Office from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ayan, so please see job vacancies below. Ayan, so yun po ating first job hiring mga karakit. So good luck! Mga karakit, so proceed naman tayo sa ating second job hiring mga karakit. Para naman po ito sa ating solid karakit subscriber sa San Fernando, La Union. Ayan, so shoutout po sa inyong lahat dyan. And so the Department of Labor and Employment Regional Office number 1 is inviting applicants for the vacant positions. Ayan, so naghahanap po sila mga karakit ng dalawang Chief Labor and Employment Officer. Ayan, so interested and qualified applicants should signify their interest in writing not later than July 18, 2024 through courier. Ayan, so application sent to email shall not be entertained. Ezekiel Ronnie E. Guzman, Regional Director. Ayan, so Department of Labor and Employment Regional Office number RSEK. Ayan, so Building Barangay Biday City of San Fernando, La Union with the following attachments. Ayan, so fully accomplished personal data sheet, CS form number 212 revised to 2017 with recent passport size picture, BB downloaded at csc.gov.ph and work experience sheet attachment to CS form number 212. Ayan, so performance rating in the present position for 1 year if applicable. Ayan, so photocopy of transcript of records and diploma. Photocopy of certificate of eligibility, rating, license if applicable. Ayan, so photocopy of certificates of training attended if applicable. Ayan, so photocopy of certificates of employment and accomplished equal opportunities monitoring form. Applications with incomplete documents shall not be entertained. Yan, so ROE ensures an equal employment without discrimination on the basis of gender, sexual orientation, civil status, disability, religion, ethnicity, or political affiliation. Applications of interested and qualified applicants, including persons with disability, members of indigenous communities, and those from any sexual orientation and gender identities are highly encouraged. Ayan, so yun po ating second job hiring mga karakit. So good luck! Ayan, so proceed naman tayo sa ating third job hiring mga karakit. Ayan, so para po ito sa ating mga solid karakit subscribers sa Dagupan. Ayan, so shout out po sa inyo dyan. Ayan, so Jobs with Jam is looking for accounting clerk. Ayan, so qualification po nila mga karakit female. Ayan, so graduate of BS Accounting or BS Management Accounting. Ayan, so fresh grad is welcome. Ayan, so for all interested applicants may submit their updated resume, transcript of records, barangay certificate, and police clearance at Jobs with Jam at 121 Gilig Street, Downtown District, Dagupan, Pangasinan. Ayan, so yun po ating third job hiring mga karakit. So good luck! Yan, so proceed naman tayo sa ating fourth job hiring. Ayan, so walang iba kung hindi para po ito sa ating solid karakit subscribers sa Palawan. Ayan, shout out po sa inyo lahat dyan. Ayan, so Park Conquest Builders Default is looking for truck driver. Ayan, so qualification po nila mga karakit, prepare with license restrictions 1, 2, 3, and 8. Ayan, so to those who are interested to apply, you may come directly to their site with your resume for an on-the-spot interview. Ayan, so location po nila mga karakit at South National Highway, Tinigiban, 5300 Puerto Princesa City, or you may call or text to the number na makita nyo sa screen ko, which is 0919-999-9997. Ayan, so yun po ating fourth job hiring mga karakit. So good luck! Ay, so proceed naman tayo sa ating fifth job hiring mga karakit. Walang iba kung hindi ito. Para ito sa ating mga solid karakit subscribers sa Mandaluyong. Ayan, so shout out po sa inyo lahat dyan. Ayan, so Piso Mandaluyong is job vacancies announcement. Ayan, so marami pong mga job vacancies na nahanap po nila. Ayan, so first, a commissary, warehouse staff, Mediatrix Manpower and Management Services Inc. is looking for 3 male housekeeping, utility reliever, female accounting staff, delivery drivers, HR general clerk, Ryder and Spark Prime Corporation is looking for 40 housekeeping, both male and female, and 2 male gardeners. Ayan, so Gain Strong is looking for sales clerk, motorcycle mechanic, and field sales supervisor, field IT staff, marketing, event staff, product planning staff, food servers, restaurant cashier, kitchen crew. And so Unitech is looking for sales promodizer. Ayun mga karakit, so na-share ko na sa inyong job hiring ko for today's video. Sana ay pala rin yung mag-apply ng trabaho dahil yun lang din naman yung hangad ko na makahanap kayo ng trabaho. Ayan, so kung nagustuhan niyo itong video, kung ito mga karakit, paki-like naman at paki-share na din. Ayan, so before tayo mag-end, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel ko, kung naligaw ka man lang sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe and click the notification bells for more videos upload from me. Dahil nag-upload lang naman ako dito ng mga videos na kaputan nyo ng araw na videos on job hiring. Ayan, so once again mga karakit, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye for now. Bye.